Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting a little carbon fiber on the GR86. I'm going to be putting it on around the radio bezel and the air vents. Also, I have on order, which I'll show in a video in the future, some carbon fiber that's going to go around my automatic selector and also the center console here that has the cup holder. So what I'm going to be doing is putting some Airspeed carbon fiber on. It's like a sticker type version, and I'm hoping it looks real good, but let's go ahead and see what it looks like here in just a moment. And we're back. So this went on so easy. There is the carbon fiber around the radio deck, and then the carbon fiber around the air conditioning vents, the hazard button. This is not a sponsored video, but man, I can recommend this product from Airspeed. It is awesome, and it's very inexpensive too. So if you want to get some carbon fiber for your GR86, you might want to check this out. Anyways, I thank you very much for watching, and everybody have a great day.